Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matapoka, and today my team and I will be presenting about the role of technology in business. Our structure is as follows. Starting us off is going to be Warren Mkoka on sales and marketing and human resources. Then Lana Rosalini with operations and finance. Then Uzlevika on information management and public relations. Last but not least, our fellow colleague Yamwe with communication. I'll now give over the floor to my fellow colleague Warren Mkoka to take us through.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Warren Mkoka, stated by my colleague before. I'll be the one taking you through sales and marketing. What is sales and marketing? Sales is the transaction that includes the exchange of goods or services for a certain amount of money. What is marketing? Marketing is the understanding of the customer's needs and producing a new product. We have key advantages under both sales and marketing. The first point under key advantages would be both sales and marketing may be following their own agenda, create conflict, coordination problem, and ultimately create tension. I have cited that point from the source in 2016. Another point would be they build trust and credibility with customers. Lastly, another point would be they create a more positive experience for customers. I'll be moving on to my next subtopic, which is human resources. What are human resources? This is the division of a business that is charged with finding, recruiting, and training job applicants. Under human resources, we have points under human resources, which will be automated recruitment. What is automated recruitment? Automated recruitment is the use of computer programs and apps for hiring of the business without any human interactions. Another point would be encouraging professional interaction between workers through websites like Slack and PHP. I'll be moving on to my next slide, which shows you the diagram of automated recruitment. This is the diagram that shows how the process of automated recruitment is carried. I'll be getting over to my other colleague, Laura Muslim.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lana Masini, as Brian mentioned, and I'll be taking you through the role of technology in business operations and finance. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are business operations? Well, business operations can be defined as a fixed performance of correlated tasks in order to achieve a business outcome. In other words, this is the division and performance of tasks which are interconnected in order to achieve the end goal set by the business. Now, you may also be asking yourself, how does technology increase efficiency in business operations? Well, businesses now use technology in their day-to-day running of the business to increase efficiency and decrease workload for employees. Certain technologies such as computing, telecommunication, and imaging play a significant role in business operations for businesses around the world. Now, the use of machinery such as JCB means that the work done by 10 people can be done easily and faster. For example, in a construction site, for excavation, when using a JCB, the work can be done faster, or the time taken to do the work is less as compared to when hiring 10 people or 20 people to do the job. Utilities such as Microsoft Excel also help auditors and accountants to do their respective works efficiently. Now, moving on to finance. Utilities such as Microsoft Excel and Access can help calculate financial revenues, profits, and budgets made by the business. They can also help to sort, analyze, and act on allocating funds to different departments in the business. The use of these utilities can also help in determining whether any fraudulent acts have been committed so as to punish those involved accordingly. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a chart It's a statement of financial position for Macy's annual report 2016. This chart can be calculated using Microsoft Excel. Now, I'll be handing over to my colleague, Uzi Ebingla, to take you through information management and public relations. Thank you.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is Uzi Ebingla, and as mentioned, I'll be taking you all through information management and public relations. Now, what is information management? Information management is the entire range of social, technical, and operational functions of the system that are used to handle information. Now, how has technology played a role in information management? Now, technology has introduced sensors and IoT, also known as Internet of Things devices, such as optical radicals recognition, which can convert a text into an image from a PDF that can easily be detected by the computer. Technology has also introduced cloud or cloud computing, which helps retrieve data and analyze it whenever possible. That is, if one has a laptop or a gadget and they happen to lose it or it gets stolen, they can easily retrieve the data and analyze it if it wasn't analyzed. Now, moving on, technology has introduced firewall and intrusion detection system, which detect possible threats to information and the computer software, and they alert the administrator about any possible threat. Now, moving on, due to these technological inventions, innovations that I've prior mentioned, they helped entrepreneurs reduce operating costs, because now entrepreneurs need not hire people to store data and guard the data room, also checking of manual records. They just need to put everything in the software and all is ready to go. Now, this is an example of the firewall and intrusion detection system that I mentioned. As you can see, here's an intruder and here's an administrator, so they try to block, then they alert the administrator. Now, there's an image of optical character recognition. Now, moving on to public relations. What is public relations to start with? Public relations, according to Benes 2013, he states that it is information given to the public. And also, public relations can be defined as a professional maintenance of a favorable public image by a company or organization. Now, moving on to how technology has played a role in public relations. Technology has now enabled public relations officers to view articles online, read comments about what people are saying about the company, about the company brand, so that they can improve in areas where they are lacking. Now, technology has also introduced video conferencing and Teams, which enables PR officers to have meetings with customers or with people outside this, so that they can know when to improve or how to improve their brand. Now, we've also, as a result of technology, memorandums have been also invented, have been also introduced, which release short information which is needed to be known by the customers, maybe about the brand or about the company itself. And also, and also the flowcharts, which have also been introduced as a result of technology, which show the process of how the business works and which show how the business works and everything related to business, so that customers know how to go around the business. That's helping them increase their brand, because when customers know everything, they can easily assist themselves and also recommend the brand to other people out there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be handing over the presentation. Sorry to say, but then there's an example of a memorandum which has been invented by technology, and there's a flow chart which I implemented also as a result of technology. I'll now be handing over the presentation to my fellow colleague to take you all through communication.
Greetings, my name is Yamas Otadze, and I'll be taking you on the role of technology in communication for businesses. Firstly, to define technology, technology is defined as being verbally or visually in contact with one another. Moving on, we have the communication advantages brought about by technology. Firstly, the introduction of emails and texts allows messages to be sent and delivered to anyone in no time. Secondly, the introduction of collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom, etc., enables businesses to carry out business tasks such as holding meetings and carrying out presentations without being physically present at the workplace. During periods of COVID-19, businesses found it hard to survive, but technology became useful as businesses and clients got comfortable with using these video conferencing platforms. The introduction of social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook have also improved the communication with businesses and their clients. Furthermore, the social media platforms are also cheaper to operate, hence a lot of people can access them. And lastly, before advancement in technologies, businesses used to advertise their products using newspapers and television, but those ways were way too expensive and also time consuming. However, that is not the case anymore due to the new advancement in technology. Information technologies are very crucial for ensuring manufacturing and good service provision to customers. Moving on, we have a simple image of an email, how to send an email. Going into the Gmail platform, you will see this compose menu right here. The from icon contains the sender's email address, and the true icon contains the recipient's email address. The subject contains what the email is all about, and this little arrow pointing forward here is where you click to send email. That is all I had for communication. This is just the steps for how to send an email that I just mentioned. I'll now hand over the stage to Utsile to summarize our whole presentation. Thank you.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I come once again to give a summary of the presentation. So now we have already seen how technology has helped different departments or different business sections and the role it has played. Now, what we can conclude and say is that technology has played major roles and has enabled easy access and easy working among businesses and all the various business operations that are mentioned, that were prior mentioned by my fellow colleagues. For example, the operations which enable now work that can be done by 20 people to be done by one person, and that too easily and much more efficiently. And now going on to sales and marketing, it also helped increase the brand awareness and also the customers knowing more about the brand and everything related to the company. Now, and it has also helped the business communication because now emails can be sent without having to go physically to deliver the handwritten letters, and also everything that also been related, the WhatsApp, the Telegram, the video conference which allows meetings to be held even without being physically present. Now, the question which we might ask ourselves is, according to these business sectors, which sector needs technology the most? So now, all sectors need technology, but then there is a sector or there are sectors which need technology the most. For example, the information management sector, because information is crucial, it needs to be kept safe. It needs technology the most due to the inventions and introductions that have been made. And also, the other sector is finances, which help in auditing and keeping everything in check so that there is no any fraudulent activities. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are the references which we took all the information from as cited in the previous slides. As you can see, these are the references. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I'll say this presentation was compiled by Utsile Jindwa, Warnama Boga, Lawana Musenini, Martha Bulukan, and Jamu Hetzel. Now, these are all the people who compiled this presentation, which is about the role of technology in business. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to come to the conclusion of this presentation and say that was all we had for you in the role of technology in business. So, That's all we have in the role of technology. Thank you.